Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features some of the craziest road encounters captured on bikers' camera, and this episode is full of them. Sit back and enjoy this one. In this situation, the biker hit the driver's mirror as he passed by. As you can see, the driver indicated on time and the biker ignored it. He tried to speed past her regardless, and that caused the accident.
Tá com pressa, moça?
Bateu?
Bati a perna aqui só. Olha o teu espelho aí, ó.
Pois é, já era assim. Tudo bem, como é que tu tá?
Ah, eu tô bem. Só não sei, deixa eu ver se alguma coisa aconteceu aqui. Ou alguma ponte.
Biker hit the mirror with his leg as he tried to avoid her car, and damage to the vehicle has been made. Despite all that, the lady looked genuinely concerned about the biker's well-being, and she asked him multiple times if he is okay.
Aqui. Tu já tava assim? Não tava, né?
Não tava assim. Ele virou e saltou fora o espelho. Mas tu tá bem?
Tô bem, tô bem.
Não tá. Não, porque no carro não fez nada.
Sim, é.
Bateu
Só
na
foi no espelho lá. Eu tentei desviar pra não pegar e eu não caí também, né?
Sim. Não, mas a tua perna como é que tá?
Não, tô bem. Só uma pancada mesmo, assim. É, não, tá beleza. Obrigado. Tchau, tchau.
Before the biker turned his GoPro, this driver was behind, and there was another vehicle in front slowing down to make a turn. This guy thought that the biker was brake checking him, so he overtook him and nearly hit the car that was making a turn. This is what happened when the biker turned his camera on. When things go bad, they usually don't stop that easily, and such is the case here. First the biker accidentally bent another driver's mirror, and then, well, see for yourselves.
Mais um Apex Race, meu parceiro, agora vai. Encosta aqui na frente. Abaixa aqui o vidro. Só empurrou só pra frente, só, tá certo? O senhor quer anotar meu número? Precisa não? Não quebrou não. Só desencaixou só. Foi pra frente. Tudo certo? Beleza, zero estresse. Meu irmão, velho.
Driver nearly hit the biker at the intersection as he tried to force his way in front of him. The biker was forced to stop in the middle of the congested intersection, and this is where the road rage started.
A iniciação do motofilmador, né? Não adianta nada você pegar, colocar uma câmera, colocar música. Puta merda, olha, quase, olha a mulherzinha, olha isso. Meu Deus do céu. Não, não vai. Faz isso não. Não faz isso não, rapaz. Vai deixar fazer isso aí não, rapaz. Ah, que negócio é esse aí? Não vai fazer isso aí não, rapaz.
What?
Not only did this driver run a red light, he went from a left turn lane only to go straight ahead. If there's anything you need to be in traffic, that's decisive. You need to always be decisive about your actions, not like this driver here.
Vind je het moeilijk, jongen?
Hello. Hi.
It's mind-boggling how some drivers don't pay attention at the road at all. I mean, just look at this moped rider. He doesn't even look the biker's way and still pulls out.
Moeilijk om te kijken, hè? The fuck?
One of the most careless pullouts ever. He wasn't even looking at the traffic, no sign of indicators, and really slow. 0 points for you, sir.
Kijken!
From lane to lane at the traffic lights, and in the last possible second. How do you expect a biker to react well when we have drivers like this one on the road?
What the fuck? Geen probleem. Schrok wel. Wat de
Cyclists had a right of way in this situation, but it's still dangerous to act like other drivers are definitely going to notice you. Always proceed with caution despite having the right of way. A lot of drivers don't pay attention at all.
Oh yeah, dang girl, you poop with that butt?
The lady was moving too slow and she got upset when the bikers passed her and she flipped them off.
4-wheel drive and go. Jeez Louise.
Why? 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 Why?
Despite having a huge yield sign, this driver didn't care. He pulled out in front of the biker like there was no tomorrow.
NANI?!
There was absolutely no reason for this driver to pass the biker so close, and at the next traffic lights, the biker went completely crazy at him.
Hey! Hey! Why are you passing so close, man? Why are you coming so close to me? You're retarded.
Give way to the right at roundabouts, people. One simple rule, if you remember it, an accident will be surely avoided.
You
The second time this biker passed through the street, he witnessed a dog attacking a pedestrian. I don't have any updates as to why. Maybe he was protecting the owner or who knows what.
Uh-oh. Oh my god. What the f***? I am not getting involved in that.
Nighttime only made it more difficult for the biker to notice garbage in the middle of the road. Luckily he managed to swerve around it.
Look at this.
At least he indicated. Only if he learns to use his mirrors, that would be great.
Off. Wake up, man. Didn't even look in this direction once.
All it took was just one small moment in which the biker turned his head to the left, and before you know it, he almost rear-ended the vehicle in front of him. I have no idea what upset this woman so much, but she threw a garbage can in the middle of the road. This is crazy. This Java had a wide open lane in front of her, and she still cut right in front of the biker. For what?
No, 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 no. It's a one way. Really? Park right there, dude. Ew.
And with this clip we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something as well. The mistakes shown in this episode are there to help you learn from them. If you like this type of content, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for your support, and we'll be seeing each other in the next one soon.